Jai Hind everyone, my name is Sweetie and I have completed my 90-day challenge of spoken English. Now I am doing practice of my spoken English, and it is my one of the ways to practice for my the journey of spoken English. So today I am going to talk about how can we become a good learner. Okay, so how can we become a good learner in all the aspects? Okay, like we always we always try to be think positive, but our mind always attract negative one. Okay, I mean, yes, we are trying so much that we have to be think positive, but we always, like, see, I'm giving an example to you. Whenever we want to start our journey, but what happened with us, I mean, that fear comes and that negativity first come to us, and we are not able to take decision, we are not able to take first step because of this negative thing. Okay, so we have to do one thing. Whenever we face any situation, we have to be abstract positive side of that situation. Okay, I mean, yes, every there is a saying that every coin has two phases. I mean, every phase has every situation has two phases. One is negative, one is positive. So we always try to do that. We have to be abstract positive one. Okay, and what is the benefit of it? You know what? We always, whenever we want to start anything, we always do procrastination. We always delaying that thing because of fear, because of negativity, lots of negative things. But if we start doing this practice, so we can do easily, we can take our decision easily, and this is really work. If I talk about me, when I have been working on my this spoken English for 2 months, but what happened with me, like, I really wanted to start my journey very before, but because of fear, because of negativity, I could not able to start my journey. Then I started, like, when I started watching YouTube videos, when I started practicing on that application to talk to strangers, what I concluded that there is lots of person who, like, yes, they also had fear and negativity, but still they are doing, because they had courage to do, they had courage to take actions. Then I can do also, yes, because I'm also doing efforts for my spoken journey. Then why I'm not able to take decision, why I'm not able to start my this challenge? Then I started taking this challenge, and yes, when I started my this challenge of 90 days, it was difficult for me. And why I'm telling you about my challenge, because it is related to, it is interrelated to, that positive aspect. Yes, in the starting you feel like maybe it will be very difficult for you, like, you are very new to that particular situation, and how can you take your first step, because it is difficult also. But if you take your first step, then things will be easy for you. And the main thing is that, yes, there is nothing like that challenges will not come. Of course, challenges will come, and you have to be face all the challenges, you have to be find solution for every problem. But the thing is that you have to be ready, you have to be make your mindset positive, so you can take decision. This is the main benefit of be a good learner. Okay, so you have to be do one thing. Whenever you face any situation, you have to be go with that positive aspect of that situation. You have to choose positive side of that situation. Yes, every situation has two aspects, one is positive, one is negative. So, I mean, yes, this is a practice. In the starting you feel a bit hard, but after some time, whenever you started habitual of it, then you are like that. Okay, now you're able to take that positive side, and you can find some positive ways whenever you are stuck in any problem. Okay, so this is the things I wanted to tell you. So thank you so much for supporting me. Please appreciate me, and if you think that my efforts will help you, so please stay tuned with me. Thank you. Jai Hind.